Alrighty, EIGRP version 6. But we're not going to remove RIP-NG. Why is that? Because of the administrative distance. Just because it's IPv6, it's still RIP. So that's an administrative distance of 120. And EIGRP version 6 has an administrative distance of 90. So who's going to take over? EIGRP. All right, so you'll see how that happens. You see how that works. Let's get inside and let's get this done. All right, here we are in our next routing protocol lab, which is EIGRP, as you already know. All right, I did not take out the RIP routing protocol, and why is that? Because the administrative distance is still 120 of RIP, and the administrative distance of EIGRP is 90. So it will override whatever RIP has, okay, and EIGRP will be placed into a routing table. Now the difference is just it's an IPv6. So slightly different, not that much harder. You still need to enable it on the interface, but we got to do some things in global configuration. So let's go to the first router, router 0. Okay. So we're going to go config T. We're going to do IPv6, router EIGRP, and obviously we need an autonomous system. So we'll use 100. All right, but question mark here. There's a couple of things that you need to do while you're here. One, never before heard, we have to turn on this particular protocol. So we need to do a no shut. Okay, and as well, you can see there's an EIGRP specific command. It's on like in the EIGRP address family, if you want to call it, or the EIGRP family. So we do EIGRP, and what is it looking for? It's looking for a router ID. And the router ID, and let's type in R, that's the only thing that starts with R, is in a IPv4 version format. So we're just going to use, this is the very first router, so we're going to do that. Okay, so we got that done. Okay, we got that done. You went ahead and you actually did what you normally would do, but this time IPv6 router, EIGRP, and the autonomous system, which is 100. Then you turned on the protocol, and then you went into EIGRP family, let's call it that, all right, or subcategory, and we put in the router ID in IP version 4 format. Now we do the same thing we did for RIP. We got to go to the interface F0/0, and we're going to go IPv6, and let's question mark it. What do I want to do? EIGRP. EIGRP. What does it want now? Oh, it wants the autonomous system. 100. What else does it want? It doesn't want nothing else. Oh, so that's it. IPv6 EIGRP 100. Okay, I can deal with that. Let's hit enter. Do WR. Let's go down. Oh, let's minimize this, I should say. Let's go to the middle router. You know, let's maximize it because we don't care about the networks anymore. It's not that we don't care, is that we don't need to put them in. So IPv6 router EIGRP, same autonomous system, right? We need to turn it on. We need to do EIGRP router ID. And this is the second router, so 2.2.2.2. Okay, oops. And hit enter. Go into the interfaces. So we got all three interfaces in here. We got the int S00/1, 0/0/1. And then we do IPv6. Okay, now IPv6 EIGRP, and then the autonomous system, which is 100. All right. And then we also have, that's the S001. We need the S00. And then the fast Ethernet, F0/0. Okay. And then IPv6 EIGRP 100. Do WR. Okay. Just WR. Okay. There you go. My typing fingers are not typing. And let's just, because I'm not seeing any adjacencies or neighborship relationships being made, so this is concerning me. So let's do a do. No, no need for that. Show IPv6 route. And we're still having RIP run on there, which we should not. Okay? It's not build any adjacencies. So that is an issue. So before we go any further, let's see what we did over here. Okay? Let's look at the show start. Okay, unicast routing's on. It's always been on. S00, IPv6, EIGRP100. That's the autonomous system. We did it. Oh, look what we didn't do. I didn't go to the S000 interface. I didn't do that. You see how quickly we can find out what the problem is? All right, so let's go to int S0/0/0 IPv6 EIGRP 100. Hit enter. Boom. There we go. That's what we want to see. Okay, we're going to start doing this again. Okay. Control Z. Let's do a show IPv6 route. And now we have these. Awesome. With a mix of R's because we haven't configured the last router yet. All right. So we got these on there. And now we'll do EIGRP on this last router. Enable config T. IPv6 router EIGRP 100. We're going to no shut to turn it on. EIGRP router ID. And there's the third router, so 3.3.3.3. Okay, remember, router ID is just the name of the router. Just to, hey, this is who I am. That's what it's doing. Okay. So now we go to the interfaces. Interface S0/0/1 and IPv6 EIGRP 100. Boom. There's your adjacency. And we'll go to the int F0/0 IPv6 EIGRP 100 do WR. And from right here, let's go ahead and take a look at what we have. Show IPv6 route. So now there is no R's. We're learning about the 1300, we're learning about the 1100, and we're learning about the 1000. So let's ping. And you see how I overwrote for RIP. So RIP got out of the way. So ping 2001, 3200, BADD 1000, ::F. And we're pinging. This up arrow. Let's change that to 1100. All right, so we have, and they're still on 1300, and we'll ping with the 1. We have full connectivity across our network, but this time we're using the EIGRP protocol. I'll see you outside the lab. EIGRP is pretty simple, wasn't it? Now, you know that we have to go to global configuration, IPv6, router, EIGRP, the autonomous system. Turn on the protocol, no shut. In there's a subcategory for EIGRP to put in a router ID. Then we go into the interface and we go ahead and enable it. Okay, that's it. But see how easy it is to make a mistake? I had to go back over here, didn't I? So I forgot to put it there. But you know, this is real troubleshooting. If everything's perfect, how are you going to learn? You got to make mistakes so you know how to fix them, right? So when I saw that I wasn't getting any adjacencies, I'm like, something's going on here. So that's why we had to go back. And yep, sure, did it sure start? Sure as heck. I didn't go ahead and put, I didn't enable IPv6 on that particular interface. When we did, wham, the adjacency came right up, right? So IPv6 is pretty simple, and you saw that it overrides RIP. It took over the routing table because of its administrative distance. Simple, simple, simple. I'll see everyone in the next one.